Now y'all know I say I haven't had chitlins in 2019 or 2020. Look what I found when I went to Panama City at the Walmart store. Oh yeah, Smithfield pork chitlins, 10 pounds. Y'all, I ain't never did it before, but we gonna try it out. Now I don't know if I'm gonna do it, or I might just wait for my sister to come back from Florida and do it. But we got the chitlins, y'all. We got the chitlins. Who wanna see a pork chitlin mukbang? Who wanna see a pork chitlin being clean? Hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know. Oh, yeah.